it's BrittanyBearMakeup here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a QVS, quick video Sunday, showing you guys my top 3 favorite nude combinations for your lips. So guys, make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can be a part of my bear family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And keep on watching as I show you guys the perfect combinations to get the perfect nude lip.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright bear family, so today's video is super exciting because I noticed that one of my main comments that I get on my YouTube channel is, what lip are you wearing? So I thought today, why not break it down for you guys and show you guys some of my favorite nude combinations. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my first one that you probably see often in my videos. So for the first lip combination, I'm gonna be picking up my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner and begin by outlining my lips. Filling in the corners as well. As you guys can see, Sweet Tea is such a beautiful neutral lip liner that honestly can go with any nude lip. So I love this and always use it as a staple to my nude lip. Next up, I'm gonna be picking up one of my favorite lip combos of all time. This is my Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Cool Girl, which is like a beautiful neutral pink. So taking the little spoolie, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my lip. Alright guys, so here is Cool Girl and Sweet Tea Lip Liner combined together to create the perfect nude lip for any occasion. And honestly guys, this is my #1 go-to lip. Alright guys, so I want to know which one is your favorite lip. So make sure that as we go along, you guys comment below which lip color you would try at home and which one you like the best. So we're on to #2. Okay, so the next lip color that I always wear in my videos is going to be a matte lipstick. But first off, we're gonna go ahead and start off with one of our staples, which is our Sweet Tea Lip Liner from Morphe. We're gonna go ahead and start by outlining our lips. Alright guys, so once we went ahead and used our Sweet Tea Lip Liner to outline our lips and we are ready to go put on the lipstick, this is one of my favorites when I don't want to wear a matte lipstick, when I need hydration and I want to look like I have a sexy, beautiful pout. I'm going to be picking up my MAC lipstick, and this is in the shade Easy Babe. So I believe that this is the shade I actually wore in my nose contouring video that many of you guys were wondering what shade it was. So this is MAC Easy Babe. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lips. Alright guys, so here is the color Easy Babe. As you guys can see, my lips look a little bit more hydrated, but they are still a beautiful nude shade. Let me know if you guys like this one a little bit better in the comments below, but this is another go-to for me when my lips are a little bit more on the dry side. I like to use velvety lipsticks and definitely a go-to nude look. Okay, so sometimes when I have a dark dramatic eye and I don't want too much of a brown eye, I'll go ahead and apply a lip like this and then bump it up a notch by adding another lighter lip color. So this is a MAC lipstick in the shade Stripped. And this is a matte lipstick, which is a beautiful pinkish nude. I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the center of my lip to change up my nude look just a little bit and give it more extra pizzazz. Alright guys, so this is my lip #2 combination. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this one, it's a little bit more on the nude side, but still gives you some dimension to your lips, which is something that I absolutely love in a nude lip. Alright guys, so I went ahead and showed you 2 of my favorite nude lips, and now it is time for the #3. So for this, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Spice Girl, so we can spice things up a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and outline our lips. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually fill in my lip using this lip pencil. Alright guys, so after I went ahead and applied my Huda Beauty Lip Liner, it is now time to pop on my liquid lipstick from Too Faced Cosmetics. This is once again the Melted Matte series, and this one is called Holy Chic, or Chic, or Chick. I can't read, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with Holy Chick. And I'm gonna be taking this, it's like a beautiful pinkish nude, and applying it to the center of my lip. And there you guys go. This is #3 on the list of the perfect nude lips. I hope all... Just kidding, guys. You really thought I was gonna let you do this? No, no, no. We gotta blend out. So taking my finger, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my lip and make us look presentable. Alright guys, so once you went ahead and blended out number 3, this is the color that you get. This is another one of my favorite go-tos. I feel like this has a little bit more of a pink undertone to it, so when I'm feeling a little more girly and I want to add a little pop of color, this is definitely my go-to nude lip. Alright guys, so that was numero 3 out of my 3 top nude lipsticks that I always wear in all my photos, all my YouTube videos that you guys always ask. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope all of you guys loved all 3 shades that I chose for you guys today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye guys! We know I am here to share the juice, the gossip, the hot, the heat, the fire, the flame, all day, every day. Your guys' comments make my day. Your likes make my day. Your dislikes, they make my day too. I see you 3 people with your post notifications on trying to dislike this. Don't think I don't know that you know that we know that I know that you know that we all know who know. Your lips are too big. Really? You think so? You think so? Because I thought your face was too big, but I didn't want to tell you because I thought I'd hurt your feelings, but definitely let me know that my lips are too big because in all honesty, I mean, that's what I wanted to hear today, you know? And this piece of hair is just sticking out because, you know, why not ruin my day, right? Why not just keep on